creating a Gmail account is fairly easy. All you have to do is on the search bar, just type in Google sign up, and you're going to click sign up. And when it opens, you're going to get to where it says create account. So for me, it's because I already have so many accounts with me. So I just had to go straight and say use another account because I wanted to create one. If you want to create one as well, a new account, um, just say create another account and then you create account. I'm going to say for personal use. Okay, and then we're going to just key in the name. I'll call it work. I've opened so many accounts today. This is the third one. I keep losing the footage, so I'm creating another account. You put in your first name and your last name, and you click next. You will indicate your birth date. Just doing this for reference purposes. And after you've done that, a birthday is not really like they want to track you, but it's just, to show that you're not a robot, you are a human being. And I will click which one I'm going to choose as my Gmail, the email name. So I'll just get stationw@gmail.com. Now say next. I'm going to create a password and I'll confirm the password. And what I do is to make sure that the password is in sync with the first one that I typed, I show password. So you see that on the first one I typed with the double T, this one just has one T, so I'll remove one T to make it the same and click next. After that, it's going to ask for the phone number. Last time it didn't, but I'll verify this one. I'll just enter my phone number and I do have this number and I do have a location. I'm not bogus or I'm not a false person. Recovery email address. Make sure you do put a recovery email address because in case you lose the password, it will send you an email so that you can verify that the account is really yours. And so I won't put mine because I'm just doing this as a demo for you. I'm going to say skip, but do make sure you put in an email recovery address. And so after it's told me I have given them the details they need, I just click next and then I agree with their terms and conditions. Yeah, and then it will open. It's done already actually. And then you just type in on the search bar again, you type in youtube.com to go and check if your account is ready. And if we check there, that's Zesty Dollar, but we're not going to Zesty Dollar today. We are going to the new account. I'm wondering why I'm not getting the account because all I needed to do was switch account. So I need to go back and see why I haven't gotten this. Maybe it's because it hasn't opened. So let's wait for it to open and really verify that our account is open. Right, so it has verified. There it is when you click on the icon that says W because that's the first name for work. If yours is Margaret, Banda, uh, whatever name you have typed in, you just type the icon and it says hi work or hi Maggie or hi Lee, and it's ready. Your account is now ready, meaning that on YouTube you are available. So that's when you can type in on the search bar youtube.com. Let's see if we're going to go there. I know $60 will come because that's the main account that I'm on. I didn't sign off. And so when we get there, we're going to say add account. And I will click on workstation because that's the new account. We want to see if our account is active. And there we are. Workstation YouTube account is ready. I will just click the icon again on the far top right there. And it says create a channel. I will just click there for me to create account. It's saying the name. You can put the name that you want for your excuse me, for your account, and you just create your account. It's ready for you. So on this account, you can easily comment. And what it means by comment is that, let me show you one of my um, videos. I'm just going to switch account to just a dollar. Okay. And okay, view channel. Let me get one of my um, videos, and we're going to look at yeah, this one. Okay. And so when it comes to with just two videos, and don't mind her talking. Okay. So when it comes to that, you've seen here, you're able to comment. Okay. This, when it comes on your station, let's see if we can switch account. If imagine this is you, okay, so that will come, and this means that as workstation, you can, you know, you can say anything. Say, um, let's say, great to know. It's a new channel. See, you comment and you can easily send it, and there it is. So just be the next one to comment, to subscribe. You can subscribe on the channel. You can like the video. You've seen there's that like, and then you can subscribe. I am subscribed. And the work is going to, you're going to hit the notification button so that you receive everything that Dusty Dollars sends to you. And I want you to right now comment, make your own comment, be the next one to comment on Zesty Dollar, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification button right over here so that every upload you're able to receive, and do like so that the algorithm can pick this video and send it to the right people that really need this information. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you on the other side. Always, always remember, God loves you.